Time to do a cold start on the dump truck. It's super frigid cold out here. Let's see if she's gonna run or not. Snow on the ground, it's cold out. We're gonna do a cold start on the dump truck. Mainly because I just need to move it and get it out of here. Well, it looks like there's a blanket in here. I didn't know that was in here. Have to take that out. Put that over there. We'll hop in here. See if she'll start up. Of course, there's glare. It's been a while since I've done a cold start. Mainly because it hasn't been cold out. Anyways, let's see what she does here. Can't remember if this will start without pushing the clutch in or not. Yep, she turns it over. We'll turn her over a little bit here. Do some pumpity pumps. Well, how long has it been sitting here? It's been sitting here for a little while. The master tore a house down and there's a bunch of concrete in the basement, and I've been hauling the concrete chunks off. Hopefully she takes off here. Where my battery did. Come on, Nelly, you can do it. Where's it good? There we go. Let's buy a better view. There she goes. These are running. It's probably gonna die, so I figured. I know some of my viewers or subscribers. Come on, stay running. Bad part is, I don't know how much gas is in it. I know some of my subscribers and viewers like these videos. I don't know if any of the gauges work. Glare. Yeah, I think that gauge works. I think the oil pressure works. I know the temperature doesn't work. I know the fuel gauge sometimes works, which looks like today it's working. Usually it's pegged out. Anyways, I'm gonna drive her out of here and go up on the hill. Hopefully we don't run out of gas.